Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So Agix, before I go and dig deeper, I'm just gonna point out what would be the long term for Agix if everything goes well. So this was the wave one. If I take that, our second wave low was 17 cents 150. The third wave should bring us somewhere around $1, 17, 18, and fifth wave around $1.80. So there you go for the long-term count. Now, see here, as you can see, now I am on the weekly, so we started very high and we are now, mid-ground, a little bit below 50. We're at 44.5 for the RSI levels. And so, but it's not that useful because Agix is a relative new coin. But if you want to look for very long-term crypto or stocks, and they are very, they have several years, then it can also help you to see the the larger wave count trend. So yeah, that's another hint that you can use as a tool. Now, I believe we did the A B, and a C. I believe our wave C completed. So our second wave in yellow should be completed now. And this is why we had 5 wave up. So this completes another wave 1. And now we're having this A overshooting wave B and this C. So now let me go maybe on the 4 hours so we have more detail on these waves. So as you can see, 5 way up, but kind of into a diagonal, so not super reliable. So the count has to prove itself. How I can do that? Well, it's easy. You need to do a nice ABC. So we can have you can see here A. Also within this wave B, we can see a B, and a C to complete the wave B. And wave C need to have 5 waves down. So I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So technically we should be done. Let's see, if we are. And it's not because I'm able to count 5 waves on my point of view that the market is done with me, right? So maybe he has another plan and is going to extend and make a more complex corrective movement. So we never know. So we need to be aware of that. Okay, so I can see 3 wave down. I can count on the last leg 5 waves. We make a lower low. Now, if I take the length of the wave A and I add it to the wave B, the yellow count here, 1-to-1 ratio, 23 cents. But we clearly went below that. Following target for the wave C would be 1.618. As you can see, we did reach it bend on, and this acted as a support. And now we kind of reverse. Now, don't want to do micro counting, so maybe I do later. So if I take the Fibonacci retracement of all this impulsive movement here, let me highlight it here, all this impulsive movement here, well, the Fibonacci retracement, it's the green levels. As you can see, we went below the 0.618, which is, by the way, the ideal target for the wave 2. We can go even lower, so we still have space to go lower, and without invalidating any counts, we're still bullish. Now, if I go onto the 1 hour chart, we can see that maybe this was already our wave 1 and this is a wave 2. Let's go and check it out. So take Fibonacci retracement, beginning of wave 1, and now it's debatable. It's debatable. Maybe this is the wave 1, and here we did the A, B, C for the A, B, C for the B, and this is the C. We went below the ideal retracement, and now we are going up, or well, we could say that, let me see here. This could have been a 1, 2, this is a 3, A, B, C for 4 and 5, and this would have done just an A, a B, and atrocious wave C. That's why it's a little bit hard to do Fibonacci retracement and on 1 hour chart. It's you need to take with a pinch of salt. So that could be another possible. So this is a 1, this is a 2, and now within this third wave, this would be the 1, 2, and now we're seeing the third wave. That's another possible way to see it. But if I scale out and just to make it easier, because we don't want to go and check all the micro counts and micro move, well, first thing we need to check or pay attention is price that is going to touch this downtrend line. So we wanted to see if we can break it. If we can break it easily, well, the easy target that we should go back at least would be our level 4 wave. So that's about 22 cents 740. And after that, for sure, we want to go and make a higher high here, which was 28 cents for this wave B. So this is the two levels for the moment, short-term levels that we want to check. First, we want price to interact in this level, break this trend and go higher. We want to go. We want price to go reach the level, the fourth wave. Maybe take a break, use it as support, and after that we can skyrocket and go test our our wave B. That would be very, very, very nice. Can you do that in one movement? I don't think so. So yeah, that's maybe it's going to be a 5-way up. So maybe we did already the wave 1, the wave 2. Maybe we're going to do the wave 3, the wave 4, and the 5th wave. After that, we're going to make A, B, C, and after that, we're going to go and try to beat our previous B wave. All right, so I think, let me take out these drawings now. I think we're done for today. Also, let me see here, the indicators. No, it's not working. There you go. Okay, so indicators, it's looking good. We were almost oversold. Sometimes it's pick and choose, and then it's debatable. Do we want price to go lower and be oversold? But we don't have much room, but we do have room, right? Because we can go up to 19 cents. It would allow the other side to go even lower, maybe, yeah, near the 30 levels. And that would be very good because we could compare with this level here. We can compare the price that before was 17 cents. If we can stay near the level of 19 cents, it would be another indication that the account is bullish. All right, this is all for Agix for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.